Huh?
Ma bra bra.
Seems to be a more vast language.
Is it rolling?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, fantastic, sir.
Yeah. All right, ready? Everyone together now. You two, sir. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yay! Okay, we're gonna take rhyme to reason this time. Sound good?
Very good, sir. Very good.
And now's probably a good time because there's people coming.
So you're gonna follow your dad, yes?
Oh yes, I'm gonna follow you this time.
Yeah, so you guys are going.
And then I will follow you.
And I will follow who?
You're gonna follow me?
Yeah,
All right. Well,
close enough to get a good shot of
You
you.
want me to go first, or
Sure.
it doesn't matter? Or actually,
We're going to
them to
choo-choo
go
train this.
below us.
Ooh, yes, yes,
Choo-choo train. All right. Well, I'll try to catch up to you, but
All right.
you gotta follow him as best as you can.
Okay, do you want to follow me and then you have to gear at the back so everyone gets everyone's in the shot?
okay. Yeah. Fair enough. Fair enough.
Okay.
So you're in front of me then.
I mean,
All right.
Oh wait, hold on. Did I just mess it up?
No, it's still rolling.
Okay. No, like angle. Good?
I think so.
Okay, because I nodded my head.
Yeah. You're
I
good.
can't nod my head anymore.
You're peeping or something.
Yeah, go ahead. Take rhyme. Am I still keeping? Then I got you. How did you feel about that?
I actually felt good about that.
Cool. That was fun. We were moving at the end.
I also think it's short.
Yeah. There's a racer up here working on his short game beforehand. I hate watching the racers because I wanna be like, but they're so good. All right, you're good.
You're good.
Cool. A little bit, but I was talking to that guy.
I was focusing on you more than them, so.
Okay, what did you take?
I think you were doing all right, but I feel like you could definitely widen the. What he said, make it more round, make the turn more round.
You don't have to do that. I specifically gave that to you because I thought you might be able to do with a little more speed.
Me? Oh,
yes.
Okay.
I like what you're doing with your carving, and I don't think you should change it. You want to go first this time? I'll follow.
Sure.
And then Mr. Feeders, and then me.
Sure.
What you're right, Rahul, is the rhythm of the skis. I mean, both is the. I think you're right there. Yeah.
I see.
For me, I'm saying.
Yeah. Oh, reason?
To reason.
We're gonna take reason.
Choke.
Waddle.
Oh my God, the view. I forget to look sometimes. It's.
Welcome, Mr. Feeders.
Am I still rolling?
Yes.
Cool. I feel like if we just ask it often enough,
Still rolling too.
I feel like asking about it keeps it rolling, you know?
Yeah.
All right, so this is a little bit steeper. This is about the grade of Skylark at the top. So you've done this plenty of times.
Alright. Okay.
All right, you got it, Sophia.
I'm gonna go ahead.
Wait, what happened? Oh. Oh, you're putting it back up right now. I see. Are you gonna ski with that? Oh wow.
All right.
You. I'm following you down. Yeah. So that we can get some record of before. We can look back on it. Think.
I think you're carving really well. Your backhand on both your turns is sort of fallen back a little bit. I think that's a harder come that you're trying to dig, but you're digging really well. And that was definitely as steep as Skylark with non-negligible ice. So, well done. Appreciable ice. That's okay.
We're working on it.
Why are you smiling at me?
That was fun. That was fun.
Why are you smiling at me?
Oh, no reason.
That was fun.
I feel like Mr. Feeders goes at the perfect pace. He's like right ahead of me and I don't feel like I have to like stop myself. And I can't like, and I don't feel like I have to like go faster and faster to catch up. He's like at the right speed for me. That was nice.
You want to go this?
You want to do it.
And you want to go this?
He's full, huh?
You want to go with me?
We're not gonna do it.
Just want to see what it's like.
Well, where's it gonna take us, Andrew?
To the Canyon Quad, I think. Am I wrong?
Yeah, there is another trail over there. And there are those who just go straight there. Oh, you know what? She took East Falls with that sign.
We never had to take that lift up. Oh, wow. Yeah, you're
Yes.
right.
East Fall will take you to the Canyon Quad.
Oh, does it? And the Canyon Quad takes you to where? Oh, right. You just got
More or less the top of Reason. Yeah. Right back where we are with this thing. Yeah. It brings you back to the top of Reason.
You're good.
You're good.
All right.
Up there?
What? Yeah, sure.
Go ahead. Yeah. Am I gonna do it?
Huh?
Well, I have to get permission if I'm gonna do it.
Right down? Well,
What?
it depends on whether, you know.
What's the question?
Is it approved? Because I've only been authorized to release you under approved
Well,
releases.
you're the one who approves things. I've done this several times. You have too. We've both done it several
Okay,
times.
then you've been released.
All right.
Dismissed.
I captured. Hold on, I want to tighten my boots. All right, so we will meet you right back at the top. Well, I don't know. Well, if you want to do, you might be able to do one though without us.
Yeah, we'll do one without you.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then we'll meet you at the top.
Yep.
Yeah. Tell you what. Text me when you get back down to the bottom, and if I haven't gotten that text, we'll try to catch you.
Okay.
Alright. Careful.
Will do. I just hear it's always a good time just playing from down there.
I know. It's quite a bit of throwback songs going on there.
Oh, he already went down.
Oh, wait,
Yeah, he's gone.
Want me to see if you're still
He
rolling?
went a while ago.
Oh.
Let me see if you're still rolling.
Just a second. I want to tighten my
Yeah.
mother boot.
Yeah, I want to see your perspective of this later, so we gotta make sure.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah. it's
You're good.
fine.
You're good. Yeah. Am I good?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Fantastic.
All right.
I don't know. For some reason, this feels weird. But I'm not gonna do it. Let's do this one more time.
I didn't get you.
Huh?
I didn't get it happening.
You didn't get it happening?
No.
Oh, it didn't happen.
I agree.
Well, editing is there.
What?
Ready when you are.
I can't hear you.
Okay.
I don't think so. I don't think they know about it.
Yes.
Can you get down to me? This is hard to sidestep.
All right. Bar coming down.
So it sort of stopped, and then I fell over.
I never actually stopped
And
it.
then
I'll stop it now.
Yeah. I came off and
Do you want to turn around?
Huh?
Oh wait, no, never mind. Am I still rolling? Uh-oh.
I see that.
Oh. Am I still rolling?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Okay. Well, it means I got
Okay.
that.
Huh?
It means I got my perspective. All right, you want to go first or should I? All right. Okay, wait for me now. is not my favorite snow.
Yeah, that's what happened before. I hit one of the bumps.
Yeah.
And it kind of threw me off a little bit. I didn't go down at that point, but then I went to the side and hit another one. And I was sort of like stopped, and then I don't know what the hell happened. At that point, I fell, and my ski came off, so.
Am I still?
Yeah, you're still.
All right. Spillway or the run out?
I care not.
It's a spillway.
Okay, spillway?
I haven't done it in a while.
All right, let's do that. And there's the canyon quad there. All right, they're meeting us at the top?
Yeah, they might do one. I've told Rahul to text him when they get down to the bottom again.
Yeah.
If I don't get the text, we can try to catch him.
All right.
All right, let's go. Cool. Yeah, fine. You're good. I got it. Okay. Thanks. Oh, let me kill this.